In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. We'll set up a simple system that helps you separate your planned budget from your actual spending, so everything is easier to track and review in one workspace. Start by opening ClickUp and going into the workspace where you want to manage your finances. This keeps your budgeting setup connected to the rest of your planning while still giving it its own organized area. Once you're inside the workspace, create a dedicated space for this purpose. To do that, click the plus icon next to Spaces, then create a new space and name it Finances. Giving your finances their own space makes it much easier to keep budget information separate from other projects or personal tasks. Inside the Finances space, create a new list and name it Budget. This list will hold your planned budget categories. After that, open the budget list and click Add Task. Create one task for each category in your budget, such as housing, food, transportation, utilities, and entertainment. Each task will represent one part of your monthly or ongoing budget, which makes the list easy to scan and update. Next, add a money custom field to this budget list. Click the plus icon above the task table, search for money, and select it as the custom field type. Name this field budget amount, choose your preferred currency, and then click Create. This field is especially useful because it's designed for financial information, so your budget values are stored in a clear and consistent format. Now enter your planned amounts. Click into the budget amount field for each task and type in the amount you've allocated for that category. This gives you a clean overview of what you intend to spend. After that, go back to the Finances space and create another list. Name this one Expenses. This list will be used for the spending you actually record. Open it and create a task for each expense, using names like grocery shopping, electric bill, or internet bill. Then add another money custom field in the expenses list. Click the plus icon above the task table, choose the money field type again, and name it Amount Spent. Once that's ready, enter the amount for each expense in the Amount Spent field. To make your setup even more useful, open both your budget and expense tasks and add due dates. In your budget, these can help mark expected payment times, and in your expenses, they can show when spending happened. Finally, review both the budget and expenses lists together, so you can compare your planned amounts with your recorded spending in one place. Thanks for watching.